People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, following up from the story yesterday about Pinky and Babymother, even the baby, as you know, madness go on, right? Typical brutish 87 act. Right? Now we get to have a better picture of who the Babymother was. It turns out she was a YouTuber, or an aspiring YouTuber. Right? She had a channel. You see, but this time I go, watch a couple of videos, right? Because them type of vlogging channel there, if you just listen and pay attention, enough people give it themselves and I realize. You see, in the video, she had one of them, which she basically trick her mother say, she's pregnant again. But Pinky make an appearance in some of the video them. Right. One of them is like a try-on haul. And she put on some clothes and it's like she want Pinky to give her in opinion. Pinky, and by the way, it's kind of crazy we talk about that 87 right, when named Pinky, but yeah. Pinky, I tell her what him think right, about the outfit. I'm on back, she having her on. Now, what I'm telling you about culture and mindset, this video, I will be a perfect example. I'm going to play a small clip. This is our channel. You can go check it out when you're done. And watch the video when I talk about. I'm going to play a small clip. Listen to what Pinky have to say when him girl, him Babymother. Show him, right, I put on some clothes and show him on bag. Hear what Pinky say. Right. Check this out.
I have to put my gun in there.
Oh my God, not for you two. You can wear it to the side.
If you not pick up what him say, don't worry, I'll play it again. Listen closely. Remember, he might judge the girl outfit and she'll bring out some accessories and she'll show him the bag and thing. Right? You don't think he may say, well, the color match with this and black and white and hear what Pinky say again.
I have to put my gun in there.
Oh my God, not for you two. You can wear it to the side.
All the man I see is something can put him gun in her. That was the first thing we come to Pinky mind. That was when him look upon the bag where she would have carry, he must say, yeah, you can put my gun in it. Because that's how 87s you carry scenes. When 87s see them woman with a handbag, he must say, the handbag they look big man. They look like me can stuff the shot in it. When them see them girl with one little purse, them say, I look like me can fit both 9 AK rounds and both 2 12 gauge and maybe can fit a ratchet in it. That's how 87s look on life. You think say he might give review on her and she expect him to talk about how she looking now. You have to go watch this video when you're done. This video is the perfect example. You see, me can talk about culture and mindset, and mom can talk about 87. Like, watch this video and study it. At one point, she get annoyed because right, him say like she does so much give me, like she does say, right, a 10. That 10 and she say, that's not me. You can broke the scale for me, you can say 100 or 10, right? Like she want validation from him. She want him to give her the validation. She want, especially if baby just born and maybe not too confident. Like one time, cause maybe her body take little changes. Right? Even they don't know what try, fix it up, make it so. Me must say, but me say 10 out of 10. That's not enough. Right? She said, boy, you should give me 100 out of 10. But even one time him say, you can't stuff me gun in night. Watch the video. Right? Replay my clip or watch it on her channel. She said, no, YouTube. It's like she say, this brother can't help himself. The look on her face afterwards, it's like she said, this youth cannot help himself. She's like, oh my God, you know, so you can't say them things up on YouTube. Remember, we are supposed to be a YouTube family. It's supposed to be PG 15. But 87s can't help themselves. Right. Them can't see the acidity in anything. You show them a concrete block, right. You say, yo, look on that block here. You think construction for us. 87, no? Yo, that look like you mush up on money right now. You show him one pickaxe stick, and you say that stick look strong, we can probably put it in a pickaxe and start dig the soil for plant the tomato. That's what you think he must see pickaxe stick for beat and broke up, man. Right. It can broke up. You hear me now? Yeah, man, that look like it can broke up some informer. You know? Yeah, man, broke up some informer. Mindset, everything is acidic. You show him one car, you say, yo, you know, say, just get one Toyota. And Toyota Noah, Toyota IS. And look like you can, you know, go up on the road and run to, you get ready for the taxi, you know, you're 87. Ups. And him fly the door. Yo, this look like can hold about 5 shooter. Right, and me can, alright, see that window right there now? Alright, me can push the 6 punch through that window right there now, and then me just, wait up everybody. Right. And then, yeah man, it feel fast, so it look like police can't even catch you in this. Everything is acidic for 87. Them find the death and the destruction than anything. You could have shown him on flowers. You could have shown him on lily. When him look on it, him said, flowers? Yeah man, the flowers are we go put on the board them grave after we kill them. We go put that one up on him granny grave after we wet her up. 87 said the acidity than anything. Go check out the channel. Unfortunately, she not gonna notice the difference to the numbers because me imagine, right? And for the numbers I'm gonna go up, it's a shame to come to this, but that's the life. Understand? So when I'm involved with 87, when I'm involved with gunman, when the man them what them in a things with, running at the house, the bother things say, them a go, oh well, let us be reasonable here. You know, that's his girlfriend and she giving a problem. That's his child and they picking innocent. Them are gonna just deal with everybody. That's the ugly reality of badness. That's the unfortunate reality of badness. To the point where little Carly, you know, lose her life. The woman them are out there, we say, at 87 to them thing, gunman to them all. I found nobody when can do what they want to do with it. But for the sake of even the pity them, I beg you know, think long and hard, but what I want to say and what I want to do. It not sound as entertaining as I hear in the song. It not sound as cool, or not look as cool as I see in the movie. In a real life, the woman them were involved with these men. They often feel the brunt of any blowback we head towards the 87. Me know, woman I go say, we can do what I want to do. Can't tell me nothing. That's correct. But me I go say this, and it will probably sound harsh. The woman them who, for them argument, for them mindset, for them stances, you know what? 87 alone, right. Make them drop the Pandy River, right. Or the string. You see when things get serious for uno, and uno see the reality, don't bother try turn back in a maybe lane. Don't call upon Carlton either to come save you, because people love do that. People love say, why didn't we protect women? Why Carlton never? No. If you reject law-abiding men, you reject men who say them not depend the badness and the madness and the violence. When the man them who are attracted to bring the violence on the doorstep, don't call upon law-abiding man for risk life and limb for you. I know that sound harsh, but that's how it go. I know your favorite woke TV scoops I got. I know them just jump up out of them chair. What Sir P just say? Let me repeat it. The woman them up point out, right? Make it clear. So them not interested in a law abiding man. Them not depend on nothing. Right? Peaceful and constructive. At 87 alone make them drop the C, D, E, F and G string. 87 alone, them wanting them all. That's for them prerogative. That's for them choice. But when it go bad, don't call. But the same man them wanna say, we're not interested in that. We come defend no. Don't ask why we don't protect. No, we can ask why females like Jasmine Dean, right, end up in a fair situation. We can say, well, society never do enough to protect her. Right. The woman who left her yard and then man take her away on a bush and stray around, and we can't have that conversation there. But women who choose today with gunman, choose feeling the badness lifestyle and reject anybody who try bring any kind of reason to them and say, this I will get weak ugly. When the responsibility will come with the said choice, turn up on them woman on the doorstep, even though it's still a loss of life and we now say them deserve for dead. Simple sign, man. What we are saying is, don't act like we don't know how we come to this. Same way when 87s woke up in a film ending, we can't act like we don't know how this happened. That is ridiculous. He died doing what him love. Notice anytime the Yankee them go do nothing risky, like parachute out of a plane. If Yankee a parachute out of a plane, or them a do ski, a skate off a ice mountain and sitting on foot pop, neck pop and everything pop. What the first thing them family come on TV come say? He died doing what him love. He chose to live like a daredevil. So even though it's sad saying gone, he made his choices. Thank you and keep us in your prayers. That's all them say. You never see a man we take up parachuting, ski and whatever, lose him life, and then the family come afterwards and say, we don't know how this happened. What do you mean you know it happened? You realize certain fields come in a certain amount of danger. So with choice comes responsibility. And women are free to make them choice and deal with who them want to deal with. But when the consequences of those choices turn up, all we can say is it's unfortunate. Especially in circumstances like this, where even like an innocent Pitney, completely gone, who never make no choice at all. Pitney just born in them circumstances. Very unfortunate. Anyway, remember the video tomorrow. This one is coming from PIA Special Ops. And you know say, right, only certain missions them take on. Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.